A home that encapsulates everything.
That is truly West Woombye.
Entering into the third driveway, look at the size of this shed.
Nah, Nathan, check out the size of this shed.
Sport for choice, we've actually got 2 great sheds.
It's no wonder with this nutrient-rich soil that we have got pumpkins, figs, and macadamia nuts. You know what, Nathan? This has got potential for a second dwelling. A truly magical place to call home. For further information, contact Nathan Beasley or myself from Your Property Co.